Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a unicorn Halloween makeup tutorial. I'm so excited. I love Halloween. I already started my eyebrows and one eye to save time. First, I'll be priming my eye with the Milani foundation in 01 Creamy Vanilla. Also, I have a mirror under me, so that's what I'll be looking at throughout the video. And then I'll be using my Real Techniques beauty sponge to blend it out. I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder in 02 Nude to set the foundation. For this eyeshadow look, I'll be using mostly the ColourPop in a Trance eyeshadow palette. With my Coastal Scents 11 brush, I'll be taking the blue color in the palette called Transcend Dance and apply that to the inner part of my crease. I will be doing a cut crease, so make sure that the colors are pretty high so that when you cut the crease, you'll be able to see them. I'll be using this Wet n Wild brush to blend out all the colors. Points to whoever knows what song I'm singing. Now with this Equal Tools detail brush, I'll be taking the purple color called Up Level. I'll be putting this color in the center of my crease. Make sure to blend all the colors together so it almost makes an ombre effect. With the same brush, I'll be taking the pink color in the palette, which is called Daydream Baby. To cut the crease, I'll be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in 110 Nude Ivory. And this brush by Sol de Janeiro, which I believe is for concealer, but it doesn't have a name. This is my first time doing a cut crease, so I'm taking it very slow, which I recommend so you don't mess up. Next, I'll be taking this ColourPop eyeshadow in Solstice with the Mostest and packing it on with this Coastal Scents 17 packing brush. I'll be placing this color in the center and outer part of my eyelid. With the same brush, I'll be taking the color Crown Chakra, which is a shimmery pink, and add that to the inner part of my eyelid. Now with the makeup wipe, I'm just cleaning up the sides. Honestly, it'd be easier if you used tape, but I was so lazy to go buy some and I didn't have any. For my brow bone, I'll be using Clarity and I'll apply it with my Coastal Scents inner corner brush. It doesn't have a number because it's so old. Now the fun part, the glitter. I'll be using the Luxie 245 small shader brush and the All Aura Again glitter that comes in the eyeshadow palette. Next, I'll be taking the e.l.f. Stardust Glitter Eyeliner and lining the line where you cut the crease. Look at the wrist. This will just add extra glitter and effects and make it prettier. For lashes, I'll be using the Kiss Lash Couture in the style Gala. Make sure to always size your eyelash with your lash line and cut the excess off. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then I'll be using the Duo Dark Adhesive Eyelash Glue. Now let's pray to the makeup gods that I don't mess up, because I really wished I had clear adhesive instead of dark one. anyone else can't put on eyelashes with music or anything on, like I get distracted. Eyeliner too, like I have to be in the quiet, or if not, I need the help of the makeup gods. And now moving on to the face, I'll be using the same Milani foundation and my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Next, I'll be taking the Milani powder and applying it with the powder sponge it came with. Now back to the eyes, I'll be taking this Morphe detail brush and the blue Transcendence color from the palette and adding it to the lower lash line. I'll be lining my waterline with the NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in Periwinkle Pop. For the lower lashes, I'll be using the Maybelline Snapscara in Ultraviolet. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm taking the same Coastal Scents detail brush and using Clarity and putting it in my inner corner to brighten up the eye. For bronzer, I'm using the L'Oreal Bronze Please in La Terra and applying it with this crown brush. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild blush in Heather Silk, and it's really old. I don't even know if they make it anymore. I'm going to contour using the Morphe blush angled brush. For blush, I'm taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the color Quirky and using the same angled brush. I'll be applying this to my cheeks and to my nose. If you know where that song is from, MVP. Say you want me to. For highlighter, I'll be using my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm gonna apply it with this really cute purple glitter highlighter brush, but it doesn't have a name, sorry. Now I'm just prepping my lips with Carmex chapstick. For lips, I'll be taking the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Mother. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the color 013 Ruby. You guys know I'm obsessed with this gloss. Lastly, to finish up the makeup look, I'm taking the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray to add a nice glittery finish to the look. You guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun making this, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos. There will be more Halloween videos coming up, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.